benefits of managing stakeholders are that it will help to reduce mistakes, improve relationships and save time. It will help to reduce mistakes which often cost organisations millions of pounds and a lot of time, because we get people to make those mistakes in the simulation so that they don't then make them back in the workplace. Improving relationships. Managing stakeholders will teach delegates how to work with people, how to give people the right pieces of information, how to update people in the right way, and ultimately this will lead to improved relationships. And saving time. So much time is wasted when people run projects. Maybe they're having too many conversations, not the right conversations. In managing stakeholders, we teach people which conversations to have, who to tell what to, at what time, and that inevitably will save time.